welcome back to Elden Ring. And I leveled up a little bit. I was gonna farm, but then I decided not to. I increased my strength up to 16, 18? Yeah, 18. Nah, shit. Yeah, I just started leveling up my stats. I need to get equipment load up. And then my buddy Durin, he said, hey, stick along the coast. There's a location over here that you want to check out. So I'm going to look for that now. So this is some sort of cave that'll give me some good stuff. I was going to see if that was going to kill me or not. I'm not sure where it's supposed to be. It might be down there that he's talking to me about. I decided not to make my own personal character, and that whatever I do here, you get to see. So you can see all my reactions and thoughts. And deaths. Lots of deaths. How the hell am I getting down there? It's called right over here, dumbass. Classic fall damage. You have to bear with me whenever I go silent. Penguins! Pangoos! Oh, so cute. Pangoos! Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, hey, an item. I fucking knew it. There was no way that was not a gank. Gold? Excuse me. I said stay down. What in the goddamn? Oh, gotta double tap him. There you go, you gotta double tap him. I'm so confused. I don't know where he said this place was. Oh shit. Hey! Oh. He back. I'm gonna keep you. I'm gonna keep your name. I didn't know what I was gonna say. I'm just so happy to have you. Oh. Oh, you go fast. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, hey. I miss. Hello? Can I help you?
What do you need? I don't want any trouble.
Who are you? Nomadic merchant. Short bow, broadsword. Ah, that classic one. You and I are gonna be the best of friends, Torrent. Shame I can't sprint with you. Oh, hey, look. You guys are seeing this too, right? You're seeing that fucking eldritch abomination on the shore, worming its way around. See, we're not gonna fight that. We're just gonna keep moving forward. Oh. Hello, Gremlin. Oh my god. Dark Souls 2 wish it had this. This is the original. It's the original idea, anyways. Oh, you were just some disgusting son of a bitch. Oh, you're a big one. Okay. That should not have happened. Be gone with you, foul fiend. Hey, land occupied. What the hell is that? Material used for crafting items. Puffy, milky white ovary of a land octopus. Or eat humans in order to bear young, and theirs is the blood that runs through the... Oh my god. Wait, there's a person? Old Knight Istvan. I'll say I'm offline mode. Oh yeah. Congrats, I'm in offline mode so you guys can't fuck me over. This is definitely a boss fight. Definitely, the fact that there's a summoning sign. Let's go! Oh yeah, here we go. Demi-Human Chief. Oh shit. Oh! Oh, oh! Shit. I didn't even get the chance. I didn't even get the chance. Istvan, I require your assistance, old friend. This time, we'll do great work. Me, the Samurai Knight. I really like this outfit. I cannot express how much I like this outfit. I just wish I had the full set. Okay, Istvan, let's go. Now, Istvan, we will do this together as a unit. I need a better shield. Okay, we're gonna lure him out one by one. Okay, Istvan? He's not even facing the right fucking direction. Come on. Face me, you heathens! Oh, yeah, okay. Guess we're just doing it like this, huh? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. No. Come on, find one at a time. We got this, Istvan. Shit. Oh my god. He's so fast! Oh, he's got daggers. Shit, I didn't see that. No, you leave Istvan alone! Fucking bitch. Didn't stand a chance. I loot. Alright, Istvan. Got some more of them down here. Istvan? Alright, you're with me, buddy. I need a better shield. Right, I don't have one. Oh, he's just going for it. Yeah! Oh, God. Oh, that was really close. I held my breath there, not gonna lie. Oh, no, I need the parry. Oh. Oh, it's not the finisher, though. That dude. Istvan, save me. No, I don't think so. Tailor's tools. Sewing needle. Thank you, Istvan. I hope I see you again. Oh, good man, good man. I don't think that's the cave he was talking about. Where am I? Oh, I'm on the island. That is the cave he was talking about. The one that leads me to this island. Alright, so I missed the other one. Oh my. Such a beautiful place. Salmon altar. I have no idea what I've done. This obviously is requiring me to have an item that I don't have. Someone's probably screaming at me right now. It's like, you need to use this item. This item that I don't have because I literally just started. I can hear this faint, eminent noise. Not sure if that was you, mushroom. And like, you hear it too, right? Is this the mushrooms? Do. I think it's become a little meme of mine, the fact that I know where to get a shield, and I still refuse to get one. Because I want a specific one. Yeah, I got over there. Hey, you heathens! Oh, this is definitely a new way to fight. Oh wait, left side. Howling monkeys? Oh, did he drop a falchion? That he did. It's better in strength than this, but it's weaker. I'm assuming this is that land octopus that I read about. Turtle! Turtle! God, what are you, you ugly motherfucker? I slash. Slash. You're taking no damage at all. Oh god. Oh god. Hop off. Oh no. No. Okay. Oh fuck. No. Oh god. Get away from me. Oh, there's more of you. Oh, God. I can't sprint with you, Torrent. I'm sorry. Skedaddle! We have to skedaddle! What the fuck? We're just finding more shit, Torrent, aren't we? Oh, hey. Nomad. Oh, pardon me. You don't look like a nomad. It's because you're not a nomad! Oh god, my hand's stuck. My hand's stuck in my bag of Milanos. Hello there. You're a boss. See, I'm gonna slash and you're gonna get it. You didn't get a health bar. No! Oh! It's a miracle! I can't die now. Boom! Oh, I knew I missed one before. Oh god. Go! Oh, I was wondering when he was gonna do that. I was wondering. I was like, damn, he hasn't used his sword yet. I wonder if it's just for design. No, he sure showed me fucking wrong. Oh, hey, dude. I'm not maidenless anymore.
Time you set off, I should think. to Castle Stormveil on the cliff, where grace would guide you, if you seek the Elden Ring, maiden.
But I'm not without a maiden. Oh, that's how you... Hey, yeah, I am supposed to fight him. Oh god! Turret! Well then. I probably have to be a little bit level higher. But I want to kill him. Come on, buddy. That somehow. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. Thank you for waiting until I got up. I don't think I'm ready to fight him yet. Sorry, these fucking bat demons in a marsh. Well, you know what they say. Huzzah! Bale fiends! I am Zeke. Actually, no, they're all dead. Tortoise. Turtle. Excuse me, good sir. Would you happen to know where the end of my blade is? Ah, it's right there. Dragon burnt? Oh god. I feel bad for slaughtering these people. Beast. Oh god. Oh, sorry. You're gonna need to run. You're gonna need to run that by me again. Sorry, did you just say the word beast blood? You said if they say the word pale blood, that's it. I'm fucking done. Oh, hey, it's rats. Hey, it's rats. What the transporter trap? I've been kidnapped by a chest. Well, so what happened when you played Elden Ring? Oh, you know, I got kidnapped by a chest. That's not a sexual innuendo. I literally got kidnapped by a chest. This is great. This is great. It's just great. It's just great. Just great. Excuse me? I feel like if I open this up, it's just... I don't belong here. I don't belong here. I'm lost. I don't belong here, okay? Okay, Centipede Man. Look, I'm just gonna try to get home. Hey, hey, asshole. I don't belong here. I didn't want to be there. I don't want to be here. Oh god. I'm getting out. I'm getting out of here. I'm sorry, I got transported all the fucking way to the next continent. What? What? Where in the... cause. Some say cosm. What? That's moving. That's spewing. That's... Don't you fucking look at me. I'm lost and I'm scared. I don't belong here. I see Grace. What if it's just a trap? What if it's just a trap leading me to my doom? Oh god. Oh, you are so high level. Stray ashes. Cool. Not what I fucking wanted. How? Huh? What? Why? Stop by the shack beyond the southern gate. I don't want to fucking be here. Oh, hi. I'm in the floor.
Forgive me. I've been testing you to determine if the Elden Ring would truly have you. If you had the mettle to endure this long and arduous path. It seems my worries were unfounded. Torrent had your measure from the very start, whereas I merely pretended. There is but one other thing I can do to offer you guidance. I can take you to the Round Table Hold, gathering place of tarnished champions, guided by grace. Very well. Let my hand rest upon you for but a moment.
What? I have nothing to say to the events that just happened. Round Table holds believe returns going together. Combat is prohibited on the premises due to the Pact of Non-Aggression. Round Table holds located outside the world. It can be only reached through the sites of grace. Okay. I imagine this is a player hub. Swords. The axes. Oh, hello.
Oh, this is a rare occasion. I can't remember the last time a new tarnished made their way to the Round Table. Very well. As your senior, I bid you welcome. Safe here. You may let down your guard.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me put that away.
Allow me a word of advice. As your senior, you are a mere visitor to the Round Table. Nothing more. A house guest. Yet to earn their keep. Remember your place, newcomer.
Thank you for letting me stay here. Oh.
Ah, hello. You must be new here.
That I am.
Well, just call me Dialos. The honor of one's house holds little import in these lands. By the way, have you met a young woman named Lanya on your travels? She's my servant, but fickle as the wind. Take your eyes off her for but a moment and she's good as gone. If
I'm
you
assuming
find
you've
her,
lost her.
please be sure to tell me.
Okay. There's so many people here.
I don't believe we've met. I'm known as D. I hunt down those who live in death and weed their death root. Heed my warning. Those who live in death should be left well alone. All the more should you spy a mariner among their number, unless you wish to lay down your life in vain.
Sorry, I'm looking at your armor. Oh. Okay, I don't know.
Those who live in death all the more.
Okay.
Oh, I see you've just arrived. Welcome
That
to
I
the
have.
Table Hold. I'm Corin, a man of the cloth.
And
I
the
teach
wheel.
incantations, the strength granted us by the Two Fingers, and explore the secrets of the Golden Order, so that one day, if a tarnished of the Round Table Hold should become Elden Lord, I might counsel them, ensuring order regains its proper form, righting rule over men. By the way, do you still see it? The guidance of grace. You do?
Yes.
Wonderful news. Most tarnished are blind to it these days. You are something of a rare breed. Well, what do you say?
It's because I'm
Want
the
to learn an
protagonist.
incantation of the Two Fingers?
Ah, miracles. Heal, cure poison. Catch flame.
May the Golden Order shine through you.
Praise the sun to you. There's so many people here. I am assuming this is a player hub. Of sorts, I will say. Oh. What do you want? That's all you have to say to me? Well, I just got round tabled. Andre? Holy shit! Oh, I thought that was a katana. Say, what the?
You're a new face. No matter.
I see that
It's all
gut
the
sword.
same. Lay out your arms. Let's get smithing.
Let's get smithing. The
I see
chains
you've
on
noticed the
it?
chains. Nothing special. I'm a prisoner and these are my chains. I'm trapped by the hold. I'm dying, smithing for you fools. That's all there is to it.
You're a prisoner?
Don't read too much into it. I've no grudge against you. My being a prisoner is no fault of yours.
Well, I'm glad.
Besides, I don't mind smithing. Despite my differences, the weapons get stronger all the same. Given time, technique never fails. Besides, it helps me forget the sheer terror of her.
Who? Okay. Oh. Are you...
Greetings, great champion called by grace. I am Fia.
Hi.
Circumstances have compelled my stay at the Round Table Hold. Great champion, would you allow me to hold you? But briefly, perhaps you might share with me some of your lively vigor and your stout-heartedness. Doing so will grant me the warmth of a champion, and you, I am sure, will bear a Baldakin's blessing. Do you think it vulgar, perhaps? Where I come from, it is a sacred act. Ah,
Yeah.
my thanks, great champion. You are very warm. What you felt light up inside you was a Baldakin's blessing. Though it is but a fleeting thing, I am afraid. Come back to me, should you require another. I will take you in my arms as often as you need.
That's actually gonna make me tear up a little bit. The fact that I can literally get hugged. God. It's... I don't know. Yeah, I'm leaking my personal stuff into this. Just wanting to be held. Oh, what'd you give me? Baldur's Blessing. This favor allows one to forget any aches and pains. In death, there is only peace, for in death, there could be no sensation. Sorry. Goodbye, Fia. I will be back. That I promise. I will fucking protect Fia with my goddamn life, and if anyone ever hurts her, I will kill everyone and then myself, and I've only known her for half a minute. Ah, you. I've been looking for you. Have something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only. Let's see here. Oh, just a simple tarnished. That's it. Gotta go.
A pleasure to meet thee, Tarnished.
Pleasure to meet thee.
Frenna. I'd heard tell of a Tarnished hurtling about atop a spectral steed, and upon looking into the matter, the talk, I surmise, is of thee. Thou art possessed of the power, no? To call forth a spectral steed named Torrent.
I can call the spectral steed.
As I had hoped, I was entrusted this for thee, by Torrent's former master.
Ooh. Lone Wolf Ashes.
'Tis a bell for calling forth spirits. Summon them with it. From ash and return to the Erdtree, the spirits will obey thine command but briefly, as they recall battles past. Now it is thine, to do with as thou wishest.
Thank you.
Forgive mine intrusion, Tarnished. I doubt we shall again meet. But all the same, learn well the lands between. How long will it be, I wonder, before the Tarnished tire of obeisance to the two fingers?
Hey Santa, I'm back. Why am I getting a door symbol? Oh! No! 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 Oh, I gotta keep it quiet. But no! Oh my god! Fuck no! Jesus Christ! Yeah, Dragonburnt Village. I fucking wonder why. Oh my god. Do I even dare? Do I even dare? Huzzah! I barely done a thing. I'm constantly expecting a Madeir bullshit. No. I got this. I got this. I got this in the bag. Got this. I keep trying to get it. flying back. He's gonna do this. Oh my goodness. I could have ran right into that. Oh, he's up there now. Oh. Oh god. He's... yeah. Oh god. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, wow. Oh my god. We got this. We got this. It's not like the air. This is tolerable. Okay. Oh god. Oh shit. No, 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 I'm not gonna lose you. Come back in. Come back. You lying heathen! Oh. I'm missing all my hits. Spin attack. I see you messaging me, Durin. I know I told you about getting kidnapped by a chest. I know it's very funny right now. But this dragon is not. Oh, God. Oh, that could have gone so horrible. I have not hit your head once. Now don't lock onto the damn mosquito. Okay. Oh, just knock that down. Oh my god. Oh no 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 no. Okay. Hey, bitch. Oh, how did I not die? How did I? Yeah! Oh. Oh. Draconic powers available with the... Oh, I'm telling Durin about this. Oh, I didn't expect. Oh, I did not expect to find that dragon so close by. Dragon burnt? Dragon burnt? Dragon burnt? Oh. How was I that lucky? Torrent, you're... Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna say, yeah, I just killed a dragon, and I'm gonna get killed by a giant fucking crab. I wonder how... I wonder how obvious it was that there was a dragon there, and I'm just like, oh yeah, there's a dragon here? Oh? There's a dragon here? Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if something is dragon burnt, there's a dragon nearby. You know how much sense that makes? A lot of sense. Did I put 2 and 2 together? Fuck no. Enter ever. Sure. What the fuck? Oh! Oh! Hello there! That's not what we want. Can I go back? Oh, I can't go back. I know I don't do too much damage to you. Oh god. Yeah. Uh-huh. Guess just gotta go get his souls back. Ah, so close. Yep, that's not gonna be it. What? That wasn't open. What do you have to say? Fucking nothing. Can I help you? Oh. Hey, it's you, buddy.
Time to spare.
I didn't know you lived in here.
Oh. Are you aggrieved at the notion you are but a visitant here? Then you would do well to remember the first words of grace given to you. Stand before the Elden Ring and become the Elden Lord. If those words held any meaning to you, follow the guidance of grace. Lay low the shard bearers and claim for yourself a great rune. Do so, and the doors to the Round Table's inner chamber will open, and you will receive the wisdom of the Two Fingers.
Thanks, buddy. You have so many books. Can I... Yeah, this is pretty much my room in a nutshell. Just books. What do you say, Silent? Yeah, I know you agree with me.